her to you using her brain data. She's a multidisciplinary learner and slightly more on the intuitive side, so her ability to learn faster when she's taught is easier. Amongst her sensory preferences, auditory is really high. I don't know whether the font size got changed when this was shared or whether she made a change to it, but like auditory is at 40%, and then kinesthetic is on the border at 31, something like that, and visual is like tiny. So I had actually made the letters tiny, but they've all become same size now. Visual is at 28%. So auditory really high. I'm sure she likes engaging in dialogue and conversation with people. So I'm sure she will talk about that to us today with an auditory so high, one of the highest percentages that I'm seeing at 40 point something. As far as her thinking goes, abstract sequential being the highest. And I know she did very well in college. That journey will be shared with all of us also today. Then it is concrete random, which is why I feel that running a play school now, you will see that concrete random aspects, applying what is being taught and learned to real life is something that she's doing very well with the little kids in her school already, teaching them to use what they have learned in real life. Because I'm sure she also must have enjoyed it, or she might have missed it in childhood. So she had this desire, to do this for other children now. And then you have abstract, random, and concrete sequential. So college definitely must have been more interesting, the academic part of it, rather than school. In education, you will see math and vocational. I know she did engineering in college. I don't know which engineering, that I will wait for her to reveal to us today, but I know it is engineering, so it matches with math and vocational. I know she likes a lot of doing a lot of activities, even with kids in her own play school, etc. The pictures and the videos that she has shared stands testimony to that. In career cluster, S, social is really high, and then you have conventional and artistic around the same mark, along with enterprising. So you can see that as it is played out in her life also, her deep desire to create a social impact, whether it is with the school that she runs or whether it is doing GBP and taking it out to a lot of people in the society, the kids, their parents and other people, whether it is bringing other people into our network to learn about this, children, their parents that she brings in. You will see that she loves to create a social impact, that she wants to be a social transformer. Okay. And more on the left brain and converging. I found that pretty interesting because as far as the brain dominance is concerned, we will see that it's a slightly bit more towards the right side, 50 point something on the right brain aspect. Of course, we know how it's calculated, but what was interesting is that it is slightly more on the right brain. But when it comes to, hemispheric dominance and processing, then it becomes left brain and converging. So I see her ability to, you know, um, flit between the left and the right brain pretty easily. And personally, this is my opinion, of course, having seen her report and knowing her fairly well over the past year or so, that though she did engineering, I think it must have been something, there was a personal choice that made her choose, running a play school of her own rather than continue a corporate career having done engineering. And I think this was a very, very right decision, because if she had gone into corporate, I just feel that maybe balancing the home might have been a little tougher, because she's extremely good on the career aspect. You will see the cognitive side of her when she shows us the lobes, the report, etc. So we will see that this decision, I'll leave it to her, because even I don't know how she made the decision to come into, starting and running a play school. But I'm sure it was an interesting decision that she has made. As far as her top three multiple intelligences are concerned, word is number one, and logic and cosmic, are at the second place, and they are equal to each other. So with logic and word, the IQ being strong and cognitive in her left prefrontal, so engineering, really apt choice to study. But when it came to career, I think she chose a right brain career more than a left brain oriented career. Adult learning domains more of an analytic learner, and in second place, it is actually interactive. So she likes trying things out on her own. I've seen it also with her ability to interpret reports, etc. So she very quickly learned and wanted to do it on her own. And occasionally she would have asked, just 1 or 2 points through interaction. It didn't even require an audio, but just 1 or 2 points that she wanted to learn, so that she could incorporate it in her counseling sessions. At work, she's cognitive in her execution and effective in thinking. And in family, it is just the opposite. She is effective in execution and cognitive in thinking. So that is where I think, that decision needed to be made. I would like to hear more from her about this decision. Slightly more on the process oriented side. So, like the in favor of doing things step by step in a perfect way, doing it really well so that it gives her that sense of satisfaction that she has done something very well, and a little bit more towards people orientation also. Indoor preference is slightly higher, 50.3, though I'm sure she would enjoy outdoor also. But of course, her job-wise, we can see that it is slightly more of an indoor preference. In DISC, steadiness is the highest, and then we have dominance, then compliance, and then influence. But the interesting thing is that her adaptiveness is highest in influence. And I feel somewhere, having interacted with her over a year or so, that yes, she's very charming. In fact, the way she speaks, her humble nature, her need to learn from others. I have actually, even, though there is a left brain and converging, I think Kritika is one of our family members in whom I've seen a very soft, humbled ego that need to, or the readiness to, actually reach out to other people and learn from them is really, really high in her, something very, very appreciable. A multiple harmony index, which is at 73.02. And I think maybe the harmony might have been missed when she was trying to make, a career family integrated decision. She might be willing to share that with us today. 40% as an employer, and a strong M management in that, which is what she's doing with her play school right now. She started something on her own and managing it very beautifully. I personally know that some of the children studying in her school and the parents are so happy. In fact, a couple of them I know have taken up brain profiling also. They have come, they have studied, because they were very impressed with the way she has handled the children in the school, and then also through the brain profiling decoding sessions. In MPTI, she's an ENFJ, being cognitive in execution on the career side, left brain, and effective as far as the right brain is concerned. And like I said, very, very sweet voice, very nice way of talking to people. I'm sure we are all going to enjoy her self-discovery and her journey with GBP today. My dear friends, I present to you Kritika Ramkumar, founder, Aksharam Play School. All the best, Kritika.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Lataji. It was really wonderful. I'm flying, It was a wonderful introduction. Thank you so much. More than me, you have analyzed me a lot, it seems. Okay.
You're welcome.
First of all, yeah, thank you, Lata ma'am. Okay, first of all, I express my humble gratitude to Ratnasamy sir for showing me this wonderful path. Welcome all the family members of Medna team for my session. It's my pleasure to really have you all here. Really, you'll take so many points from my self-discovery session. I can assure you that. Yes, before that, it's also live running in Facebook and YouTube, it seems. If any new participants or to this forum, I'll give them a short introduction about GPP. It is truly scientific study of fingerprints, and it's completely understanding an individual's personality type and also the potential. He's a great scientist and philosopher. Aristotle has told that knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. And one more quote, the privilege of a lifetime is to become who you're truly. Yes, I was most impressed by this quote, and this exactly matches with our Medna project also. Simple tool, no questioners, nothing. Only with the fingerprints, we were able to take out the entire details, so many details about individual's brain. So you have seen this, all these brain data as Lata ma'am introduced. All these can be decoded with only fingerprints. Really astonished. And before entering into the self-discovery session, I would thank Jai Shripati sir for introducing Medna Forum to me. His daughter was studying in our school, Mahishantini, 2 years. When she was 2 years, he took her report and he shared with me a wonderful audio bite given by Lata ma'am. I was highly impressed with that audio bite and Lata ma'am's humbleness and sweet voice. And I was really shocked. How is it possible in 2 years old child, you're able to decode the entire personality from the beginning till their career, and afterwards also all the many of the items are being decoded, and I was shocked and was really surprised also. I just thought for a few days, and as soon as I took my decision that I have to join with Midna, because I have so many children running around me happily wandering butterflies. I want to create a meaning to all their life through their parents. I am in a position to do that. So as a first step, I should take that, and so that I can help so many children and also the students around me. I really love to be with children and wanted to create a peace and harmony for them. So that immediately I joined Medna. Yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, I'm happy to share this slide. It was taken at the NEST 2020. And here, the turning point in my life, August 17, 2019, the day I took Spark, and the next month, September, I took Ignite. When I attended Spark, I was really quite happy, and immediately I want to take Ignite also. So in the next month itself, I took Ignite also. Okay. Okay, I'm entering into my report. The first thing is curriculum and adaptiveness. And I am a multidisciplinary learner. You know, multidisciplinary learner, they like to do so much extracurricular activities along with the academics. Since my auditory is very high, I want to engage myself. I want to hear lectures, but at the same time, when we come to the next stage, I'll clearly tell you about that. Here, along with academics, I need to engage myself in so many extracurricular activities. I had little high intuition also. Multidisciplinary learners will be having so many distractions. So they need extracurricular activities. Here, my adaptiveness is 57.22. It is in the ideal range. And coming to the potential, my primary potential is little high compared to secondary and university. My childhood adaptiveness, you can see it's really very high. Yes, my mom really guided me in my primary stage. Till third standard, I got wonderful guidance from my mother. That was the base for my reading, writing, studying, everything. She used to sit me for every evening, and I used to perform well. She used to guide me very much. At that time, she was really very strict. I want to complete the homeworks. Since there was adaptiveness, the adaptiveness is above 75%, I was able to adapt to her. I completely understand that when I see my report, and really she'll be much strict to me. She'll pinch me in my thighs if I am not completing the homework. I still remember the environment of the room where we study. The wooden steps, we'll climb and get into the room, and there we will be sitting and doing the homeworks. But after third standard, she didn't mind me at all. I'm only daughter to them. They got something they had. They just left me, okay, it is up to you. You can study or do whatever you wish. They left. Was high, I was able to grasp the information from the classroom itself. I need not spend too much of time in studying books. So that evening, I spent my time by going to various classes. I attended music class, dance class, art and craft. So many classes I have attended in the evening session. My adolescent stage, my adaptiveness is very low, 37.76. Okay, coming to the university, my adaptiveness, even as an adult, it is 66.38 percentage. If at that time, if somebody has motivated me so much, then definitely I would have got gold medalist, but there is no any time clock to move backward. Since I secured well, I got first class with distinction. Yes, coming to my learning input and sensory. Sensory is 48.46 percentage and intuitive is 51.54, slightly higher in intuition. And coming to the sensory input styles, auditory is very high, 40.02. I like to listen. I like to listen to all the teachers. But the challenge, the greatest challenge is look at the duration. For my oral, it is only 22 minutes. So after 22 minutes, I'll not be in that world. I'll go somewhere else. So if I am ready to listen to the every content, full section of the class, then definitely I no need any more studying at all. But here comes the challenge. When I attended Spark, Sunny ji asked me to ask me few questions then and there after every 20 minutes or 25 minutes by seeing the report, because after 20 minutes I would go to some other world, right? So now by knowing this, after knowing this, for these past 5 months, so many webinars, Ratnasamy sir is conducting so many sessions, and we have other opportunities from JCI also. So I used to attend all the webinars, I'll not miss anything, but very consciously working on it. Okay, if I feel like getting diverted after 22 minutes, then I can make a long breath or some mindfulness exercise over there, and I can have some warm water, a sip of warm water, so that I can make myself engage into the rest of the session resourcefully. And the second one is kinesthetic, and the low one is visual. Kinesthetic is 31.9. Okay, I love to do things. Practically, I need to some touch and feel. They should be. I feel like that. I do maths well also. Kinesthetic is little high, no? But definitely I can't read a book prolonged for even more than 15 minutes. Definitely I need breaks. If any earphones are possible, we can insert into the book and put it in my ears. I really love hearing it. But nowadays we got audio books also, that really helps me. Okay. Next, coming to genetic memory and adaptiveness. And here you can look at my working memory, episodic memory, and echoic memory. Since my auditory is very high, echoic memory is very high, and my long-term memory is high, so that episodic memory is high. Yes, typically I can recollect so many information, emotionally connected information from my childhood. You see, once my dad asked to play me harmonium. I learned it from my grandmother. When his friend arrived, he asked me to play it. But I was not interested to do that. He was very harsh to me at that time. It was for the first time. Still, that scene is running. And one more thing, during my college, I would like to share. When I was in first year engineering, I had some issues in my spine bone, and I was admitted in Kodur Ramachandra Hospital, and I was there for a month. And after returning also, I need to take some complete bed rest for 1 month, and I didn't attend the college for 2 months, around 2 months. After recovering, I had little problem with engineering drawing. The rest of the subjects, it was quite okay. Engineering drawing was a little challenging for me. So I asked one of my friends to help me in that. Okay, she also was ready to that, and she came to my home. I picked up from college, and we both were doing some homeworks. And after that, I went to drop her. While dropping, her mom scolded me for more than half an hour. What's the reason is her child was not feeling well, it seems, but I doesn't know that. She also didn't tell me anything. But due to that, she was much upset, and she thought I forced her to take her to the home. And I got scoldings for more than half an hour. Even my father and mother has not scolded me even a time or even a minute, even in any situations. So all these are challenges in episodic memory, right? So many emotionally hurted events I can remember. Okay, coming to semantic memory. Okay, if I am attending any webinars, what's the takeaways from those? How am I able to take important information from that webinar? That is semantic memory. It can be rehearsed. It is little low, but it can be rehearsed. So I am working on it. I attend so many webinars, and after that I sit for quiet for 10 minutes so that I'll be refreshing all the points, so that I am rehearsing my semantic memory. It gives me really a fruitful. From this table after GBP only, I am able to decode all these aspects. My body memory, okay, it's quite okay. And coming to working memory, it's also a little high. Yes, I'm with my intuition and with my kinesthetic, my working memory helps me. So I love to do maths always. I'm lover of maths. And iconic memory is little low since my visual is little low, and it can also be rehearsed. Okay, this is higher secondary subject preferences based on learning styles. Okay, here itself starts the challenge. My highest potential is 42 with mathematics, and I chosen mathematics as mathematics and computer science in my +1. But if you see with the humanities and occasional, humanities is the highest topmost, but interest is little less. But highest interest is humanities, and the potential is 35. So here itself we had so many diversions which to choose, but we don't know all these factors. And at that time, computer science engineering was in boom, and my uncle was into computer science software engineering, and he completed his MTech in MTech, and he has gone for German and abroad. And so something made me to interest. My love to mathematics also led me to take engineering. But it was quite okay. I managed all the studies very well. I secured high marks in my 10th and also +2 without studying at all. Only by listening to the classes, and I used to arrange so many group studies even in my +2 during the study holidays. Visit individually and share the subjects after studying individually, so that my reading is getting reduced. I love to hear, right? So I choose those forms of studying, and really it worked out a lot also. So coming to thinking, orientation and speed. As already Lata ma'am told, my sequential thinking is fast and abstract sequential is the topmost, as I loved studying engineering subjects. I had a real passion to work with all those, and concrete random is the next higher. Yes, whichever I feel like studying, I would like to make or give a practical exposure to all those. That's really true. You can see each and every aspect in the report matches 100% with my life. There is no second thought at all. My sequential thinking is fast, and the random thinking is moderate. Moderate helped me a lot, and it's the greatest challenge also. I'll come later with after few slides to that. See, concrete random, that helped in extracurricular activities in school. In school, concrete sequential is low. See, I had little, due to moderate processor, I had little unable to express things easily. I was very soft spoken. I'll not be opening things easily, will not share anything with my friends or my parents. So that I had little bit challenges in school studies, but I secured well, no doubt in that. Okay, concrete random. I like to share a few photographs of my extracurricular activities. So I always choose to do events separately. I don't go for group activities. There is a reason for that. I'll tell you. Okay, here comes the college major. You can see the longest bar is education. Hope I selected education field as soon as I completed my engineering. I worked as a lecturer in Karur Kumarasamy College of Engineering and college where I studied, PSNA College of Engineering. I worked for more than 4 years. I worked as a lecturer in computer science department. And here is my convocation photograph. And here are uh, the day I received some appreciation from Kumarasamy College of Engineering. And the right side, you can see the photographs with our school children. Is these all come into the education field? Yes, photographs for you. Really love to be with children. I'm much happy and peacefully enjoying the days with them. Everything has a reason. Okay, coming to the most important part of the report, lobe-wise hemispheric dominance. So you can see the highest one and the strongest one is temporal lobe. It's C3, C3. Okay, right temporal is higher. Remember, emotionally connected events, I cry along with any movies at the climax. I'll also join and cry with them. And if somebody cries at their sad moments, then definitely you can see droplets running out of my eyes also. I listen more so that most of the persons talk to me more. Persons, they need somebody to listen, right? I love to listen. By listening, I can make little happiness in them. Much for family attached. Lata ma'am was asking, why did you choose such a profession? Is there a shift in my career? Yes, I want to be with my family. I just no need to go and work for extra hours. If I work for somebody, I have to stick very strictly to the timings, right? I had little high complaints also because I wish to follow the rules and regulations of any institution or anything. Wherever I go for job, definitely I should stick to their compliance. So that I decided to do a business of my own. I had so many thoughts running after my first daughter settled down in kindergarten. I need to do something. I was keep on searching things, but always my interest was towards education. So I decided to choose this as a career. And since my right frontal is higher, I am right temporal is higher. I'm more family attached. I love and appreciate music very much. And thirst for collecting information. Keep on collecting more and more and more information. Attending so many webinars. It's coming to the left temporal, resource management. Very conscious with resource management. If you see my cooking style, if you see at the things I'm handling with my daughter's used clothes or some waste that is coming out of school, really you'll be understanding why my left temporal is high. Resource management. If I want to do so many dishes, right, while cooking, I'll not put every vessel into wash immediately. I'll wait for some time, how we can reuse it, how it can be used for some other dish, something like that. That is one way of reusing. Then I'll convert all the used cloths or even pencil waste to some craft artistic works. It helps me in play schools, right? Then even if I open the pipe, I really use little amount of water. These are all examples of resource management. And I convert all the kitchen waste into manure and also cleansers, natural cleansers. I do all those. And I talk more also. And it's strongest in alphanumeric also. That helps in my mathematics. And now I am, before 3 years, I learned Vedic mathematics, and along with our play school, we are running Vedic Math Center also. I talk more, but in an articulating way. Definitely, whoever listens to me, they have to understand things easily. Hope now also I am in an articulating way. Yes, language identification, audio identification, sensitivity to audio, really some disturbing, noisy sounds. I can't bear at all. If my children talk to me for more than 2 times, then there will be little anger. I used to ask them, please tell me one time, Kanna, that is enough. My auditory, my temporal is very high. Kindly understand me. Is it in GBP, Amma? They will ask. Yeah, Kanna. Okay, memory and multi-language ability. It's all good. It all comes from the left temporal. And yes, income is also probably good. But how I manage that income, that comes in the frontal thoughts, left frontal, a little challenging. Converting all the thoughts from temporal into execution. Here comes the challenge. So many thoughts will be running. If I get up in the morning, I have so many thoughts. We have to complete this, complete that. We have to meet that person. We have one more work in my neighbor's home that I'll be listing so many thoughts. But whether I'm converting so many thoughts into action, there comes the question mark, and there comes the challenge. Really, it's tough without this GBP. So once knowing my low voice hemispheric dominance, it's very easy for me split the works into small chunks and prioritizing them, which to be completed first. Why so many thoughts are running, Kritika? Cool down, calm down. You're not able, it is not possible to complete all those in a single day. So please calm down yourself, list out the things that you can do only this day. By converting every work into small chunks, I am able to manage with less left frontal. And less attachment to money, left frontal, you all know. And so I am towards minimalism, I think. Without managing, planning to develop, going to next level is impossible, right? Even though my left prefrontal is higher, this is the engine. Even though planning is not perfect, engine pulls me to do that without planning. So every day after GBP, after my nest, every day I am planning to move forward. I am planning. Before that, the planning was totally absent. Now I've started planning. Planning helps me really to go for more future steps forwards. It's right frontal. It's higher than the left. I can I can build stories with small words. I can write long answers in examinations. That helped me, I hope. Okay, coming to left parietal. Left parietal a little low, so that I would have had some challenges in engineering drawing. And right parietal, sports, dance, yoga activities is I wish to do, but I do it less. Little less body smart. But after knowing, I'm taking continuous, conscious, persistent efforts to work with my body, because physical means a lot for everyone. And left occipital is very low. And right, being occipital left and right, the lowest among other lobes. And anything I cannot view in a bigger scene, or connecting all those data, everything comes with a little challenge. Okay, coming to the next slide. Dominant brain and processing speed. Yeah, here the dominance is right brain. It's 50.82. And here you can look at the speed. Left brain and right brain, both are moderate. Here is the major challenge for me. Many challenges are there, but I'm converting all those challenges into fruitful efforts, fruitful results. Before GBP, I was not able to understand why I am thinking so much, why I am making decisions very, very slow. But while coming to social or something like that, if I want to attend any training session, immediately I'll take decisions, because I want that. I want to help somebody in some way. So that I take all those decisions. Even this Medna, I didn't think long time. Immediately I took the decision. But before, maybe, in my childhood days, I never participated in on-stage programs. I used to participate only the things that happen inside the classroom with a minimum number of participants. I love to talk, I love to involve myself, but not in group activities. Because even I know the right answer, even I'm ready with the answer, but I'll not be able to represent it due to this moderate processing. Both left and right brain or moderate. And here I have given a small illustration how to decide faster. No, I'm using all those things. I'm limiting my options as I already shared you. I want no big difference between good and bad. Listen to the gut feeling. If somebody, something, a voice, inner voice, I'll be hearing, yes, you can, please come on, please come on. Yes, now I've started listening to my inner voice. And I am now thinking time as my money, because once lost, it cannot be getting. And even decisiveness, faster decisiveness also good for reaching next steps easily. Okay, coming to smartness profile and output styles, you can see my highest is word smart. And next comes logic and cosmic. Word smart, yes. But I think it would have been nurtured in earlier stages itself. But even now, it's not too late. I've started taking efforts for it. I remember once my relative auntie, family friend, she asked me, all of a sudden we visited their place. She asked me, can you read out this book? I was in third grade probably. She gave me Tirupavai book. All of a sudden I started reading. I continuously read. She was really shocked to see that. But while I'm in a position to compare all those, and I'm recollecting all those memories and comparing, yes, my word smart was good. I learned Hindi additionally. I had interest in that also. But even I should have exposed to more books and to more on-stage activities during my childhood itself. That I feel now. But even now, I'm taking steps. But after knowing, when Ratnasamy sir and Saniji told me that your word smart is the highest, I can't believe. Oh, I'll talk this much. Even I can give counselings. It was a big question mark for me. This report gave me higher confidence. I believed myself. I can do that. And after that, I'm working more on it. I've attended so many debates also. During this lockdown period, after this report only, I was able to take hard steps into all those. During my college days, I was selected as a radio jockey for local college FM radio, and I selected for technical BPOs and call centers in campus interviews. I passed out engineering degree in 2003. Computer science field was very down at that time. We didn't get any technical opportunities on campus. We got only call center jobs and BPOs. I got selected in those also. But there was no interest. My father was not interested to send me those, though I just quitted it. So no other option. Being a single daughter to my parents, they want to stay with them or somewhere nearby. So I decided to work as a lecturer, and I joined in Kumarasamy College of Engineering, Karur. It was a little nearer to our place. I have to stay in hostel, and every weekends I can visit them. Yes, I handled there with my word smart only. I was able to handle the entire lectures. I was both good technically and also theoretically. I was very good. I was handling all the subjects, C++, Visual C++, Java. These are all technical subjects, and every new subjects introduced. Total quality management, professional ethics, advanced computer architecture, all those subjects will be given to me. I'll handle it efficiently. All these because of my word smart, I think. And yes, I served as a PRO for Tamil Nadu Arya Vaishya Mahila Vibhag, and I've written articles in the magazines. I was a proofreader for that. And this lockdown made me to recite and write so many stories. I love telling stories. Every day I used to tell stories for children in my school. And for my daughter too, she is very fond of listening stories. Every day I used to tell so many stories to her. And this lockdown, I got opportunity to recite and give stories to so many children. Hundreds of children are following me. Every day they are waiting for my stories, and I have started writing and probably wish to publish a storybook also. I'm Yes, this word smart gives me an expressive writing, teaching, um, and because of by knowing this only, I have stepped all this. Okay, coming to logic smart, mathematical intelligence is little high, capacity to work with numbers, reasoning. These are the reason for my successful engineering degree completion. In school, my favorite was modern algebra. And I love maths, trigonometry, calculus, everything. I love to do all those. Using my notebook will be very neat, and my maths notebook, all my friends, especially lectures during my college days, last benchers of my class, they just grab my notebook and they'll run away to make photocopies the previous day of the exams. And I used to teach them also. Few of my friends will come to me before the maths exam. I used to teach them. But little scoldings from my mom also. All of a sudden I remember that, because you want to study, no, how will you study with if you keep on teaching your friends, she'll be asking. But it was quite happy days. This is I'm receiving Vedic Math certificate from Vedic Math mentor. Next is cosmic, spiritual smart. It's really very true. I have extreme power in the universe. A supreme power is guiding me all the way. Usually, in our tradition, my home, my grandparents, my parents, here, my in-laws, my mother-in-law, everybody are highly ritual. They used to perform all the rituals, puja, everything. I'm also in the same gene, right? I used to recite Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, Vishnu Sahasranamam, Lalita Sahasranamam, Tirupavai, Tiruvambavai, everything. Every Margari used to get up very early in the morning and go to the temples and recite all those. Really, I love reciting all those, and I have it also. I have the capacity, I believe I have the capacity to conceptualize, tackle deeper or larger questions, meaning of life, why birth, why death. I remember in my childhood, I would be wondering by seeing the sky, how many ladders can be placed to touch the star or touch the moon. I'll be keep on thinking something, why we are here. See, it is a planet, Earth is a planet, right? We are rotating around the sun. If the earth fall down, where it will, where will it fall? All those questions were in my childhood days. Still now I have a deeper interest in all these subjects also. I wish to attend SIR's 5-5 Brian Gyan also. But due to some other reasons, for a few days I was not able to attend. I am able to analyze being cosmic and self-smart is also a little high, right? 11.4. With cosmic and self-smart, I am able to analyze my strength and weakness. Yes, it's a boon for me. And one more thing to be added to the Cosmic Smart, every Sunday I used to take Gurukulam classes for the children in Namakkal regarding our tradition, customs, culture, and all devotional songs. Along with a group of my friends, we used to take the classes, but it's not now in lockdown. Okay, this is all about my smartness profile and outfit styles. See, you can see that body smart is little less. Yes, being a feminine, it's not possible. You cannot be lazy sitting in a place. Household chores, along with play school, we have to run, dance, and do everything with the children. So gradually, I'm improving. But whenever I get time, I rest in a place. But nowadays, I'm very persistent. Coming to adult learning domain and adult genetic quotients, you can see my highest is analytical, and the next one is interactive. Is even after adult, this stays with me. Logical thinking. Whenever any situation, any problem is placed in front of me, Yes, first step, I think it logically. If where does it come? Why it came for us? What will be the output? I used to think in a logical way, involving all the other factors also. That's absolutely true. Interactive is little less. Introspective is the least one. I love to interact also, but the first one is analytical. Intuition, I am able to, as Lata ma'am said, I'll not ask too many doubts at all. Even as a beginner in Medna, I used to read out the materials or hear to the audio bites. Being auditory strong, right? Sir has given 600 minutes of audio in the beginning days. So I'll be hearing all those and I'll be able to complete the counseling for them. And so you can see, due to this, my logic smart and word smart, my IQ is little high. And the least one is AQ. Yes, I agree. When any problem comes, face it or run away. Yes, yeah, I'll be much being moderate processor and AQ also low, definitely I get much shivered. I don't know what to do all of a sudden immediately. Immediate decisiveness is a little far for me, right? So AQ is a challenging for me. Yes, some practices are being done to increase my AQ. So whenever new ideas are coming, I want to implement some new ideas in my play school. Yes, I'll have the little fear in implementing it. Ideas will be flowing, but due to this, I'll procrastinate. And my SQ is the highest. Okay, coming to educational and career guidance. Here you can see my social is very high. Yes. Whatever I do, it should help for the society in some way. That is the only thought that will be running in my mind always. My first daughter went to a play school, I was really impressed. And I thought, okay, so many play schools are there in Namakkal. Big cities, they have daycare centers. Why can't we do a daycare center? So that it will be helpful to so many working parents, right? For the current trend, they need to run behind their work. So somebody has to take care of their children. Why can't we do that? That little sprouted me in my mind. And due to that only, I started the play school. And at this time, definitely, I should thank my family, my husband and my father-in-law and mother-in-law for supportively started a business for me without any second opinion. Really thankful for them at this moment. And for my passion, he made me such a wonderful opportunity. And I started the play school before 7 years. This is probably 8 years should have been completed. That is the highest. And how I have converted enterprising and conventional, right? So this is the highest one, SEC. I have made it as I have enterprised it. It comes in that category. The play school comes in that category. And the dominance was right brain was little dominant in the previous slide we saw. And here you can see left brain processing is dominant and the right brain processing is little less. And convergent and divergent, if you see, convergent processing is high, left brain convergent. As I go in depth with any problem, one way, one solution is my motive. But I started thinking in some other terms also. If I take any new plans or any ideas, usually I look it in only one direction, but while discussing with my family, I get some other options. While seeing this table, yes, it's absolutely true. I definitely see in only one direction. I can come into that. But being feminine, I default will be right brain. So that something is balancing between left brain and right brain, I think. So right brain is needed, right brain dominant, so that only I'm much engaged with the children. And left brain helps me, and my left prefrontal helps me to make my career very strong. And here are the few photographs also for you. My multitasking potential is good. Okay, coming to execution part, thinking and execution part, you can see while coming to left brain, thinking is effective, cognitive in executing. So I know my left frontal was little low, right? So without planning, I am going into execution part. That is shown here. That is absolutely true. And coming to the right brain, even though I am cognitive and thinking, while executing, I go my family matched. So I take effective decisions. But my adaptiveness is in the ideal range here also, not too much flexible. It's in the ideal range. Is coming to the disc personality, steadiness being the highest. The next one is dominance, and compliance is also 67, not much difference. S plus D, that is right frontal and right temporal, support the steadiness. It leads to personalized services. So I think my career also comes under this personalized service. And I am well in dealing one-to-one, not 1 to 10 or 1 to 100. Really presenting this session also made me little nervous, right? Because it's one to many participants. But counseling and mentoring, when it is done one-to-one, I'm quite happy, quite comfortable also. And my work focus process is that I enjoy doing every step to reach my goal. So that is highly process oriented. And coming to the work is I give importance to people. By making them comfortable, I can make my work done easily, right? Giving preference to people. And work environment, slightly high indoor. Yes, I work to be indoor. Outdoor is also not that much less. So these all about my DISC model. And coming to genetic behavior profile, you can see a long bar in the persistence. Is if I am attached to any one technology, whatever it may be, it really takes some time for me to come out of that. And if I have started one thing, definitely I'll continue it for days and years. I'll be persistent. I remember Ratnaswamy sir told, how about the contacts in your mobile? He asked me when I attended Ignite. I told, yes, I'll be having so many contacts in my mobile. I'll not delete any contact at all. If you check with it, even though I am not using, I'll be having all those things. It might be useful for us in some day, some situation. So I have so many contacts in my mobile. As the best example for persistence, I can tell. Sensitivity is little low, and due to my thoughtfulness, yes, a longer boring thoughtfulness, that leads to little less self-confidence. Yes, I'm truly working by knowing this. And so I'm getting boosted in my self-confidence also. And since thoughtfulness is high, patience is automatically high. But so many times immediate decisions never help, right? By being patiently working with some longer projects, we have to really wait. In those situations, my patience really help. Now I'm able to analyze between immediate decisive moments and also which can be procrastinated to some more days. I'm able to classify and take decisions in a fine way. Coming to independence and cooperative, it's quite okay. Yes, efficiency, my focus towards efficiency. If some work is allotted, definitely I need an excellent output that shows my efficiency. And accuracy is also little high. As we discussed, temporal strong, resource management will be strong. So here comes the accuracy, right? Dealing with money or dealing with any resources. If I go out of a room, definitely I will switch off all the fan, tube light, and I'll go out. Likewise, I'll be little more conscious in all those. These are all about my genetic behavior profile. Is coming to the next. Leadership styles is my highest is inclusive. Yes, inclusive leader is leader managing with available resources. So it automatically connects with temporal and accuracy, right? a little careful leader too. All know about my DQ also. So this is my leadership style. And next comes the humble. So only my employer is 40%. I'm not much commanding. I'm not much pioneering also. Yes, I go and involve along with the team, and I do. This is my leadership style. It works out for me in my career, definitely. Really, it works out. And my executive is 60%. And here, my strength is management. Yes, I agree. Why my development is little low, right? Because of thoughtfulness and patience in executing ideas. So that only I'm not able to take fast progress in my career. My harmony index 73.02. The reason is moderate AQ, left right or right towards which side I have to go. So many confusions within me. These are the reasons for my harmony index. I'll show you in the next slide too. Here comes the career domain preferences. See, finally, we have to select either human resources or CRM, BPO, ITS. This should have been a best choice for me. Without knowing all these, I have done my engineering, but I love doing everything. Everything is for a reason, and I'm happy at least I'm now doing my report and I am celebrating it definitely. So I am now fully towards the side. So BPO and CRM during my college days itself, I got opportunity, right? But I missed all those. And again, is due to my work smart. I worked as a lecturer that also dealing with human rights, children, students, everything. Really, I loved working with students, and they also enjoy my classes and they share all the things with me, and deliberately I would able to explain all the steps I have taken in college, so that how my students should take up their steps for future developments. I guided them. I was more than a lecturer, I was an complete counselor for all those students when I worked for 4 years in engineering colleges. Even now, many of the students are in touch. They used to call and talk with me, share their life experiences, everything. I'm so happy for that. Yeah, smart and process oriented. My little public affairs and service also little high. My administration is also good. These four are the best career options for me. See, my career progress index, it's CPX moderate. Yes, because both the brains are moderate, right? So finally coming to the personality type, ENFJ, the teacher. E is extroversion, slightly high extrovert. As I love to talk with people, I open up also. And the input is slightly higher intuitive, as we discussed already. And the decision making is feeling. Yes, whenever I take decision, I feel like even though my self-smart is good, but I don't go beyond that. I think for others also, family attached. Even though I got a few proposals in my although I want to go with the decision of my parents, and my lifestyle is slightly higher judgment. But I think why people are like this? Why can't they be like me? I used to think like that. That is, I don't know. That is also given in the report. But it works for my career, my profession. But it doesn't work in family. But coming to family, I am becoming effective, right? So judgment works for me in career when I need to get all the job done in an efficiently way. At that time, it really helps me. Yes. So this is my personality type, ENFJ. We can tell this as a summary of the entire report. Yes. So whatever the challenges I had in my report, moderate processes towards left or right, technical side or human resources side, my adversity quotient, my harmony index, Yes, now I have got a solution for all these challenges. Without knowing the challenge, how can we come to arrive at the solutions? It is not at all possible, right? Our inner mind will be telling so many times at so many situations, which one we can take. For all these, knowing about yourself, knowing the challenges within yourself, definitely this GBP helps a lot. I can assure it. So I have traced out my challenges and I have started working it for also, and I have started seeing the results also. I would like to tell that I have done that NLP previous 2 months back, and really GBP along with NLP really can do magics, and I love and I am happily forwarding in the future steps. Okay, that's come end of my report, and just would a glimpse of the low voice processing capability of my 2 daughters and my husband. You can see my little one Krishika at the topmost. You can see her temporal is high, highly music interested. For my elder one is Sahana. She's very strong thinking, C3 and C1. For 2 of my daughters, I got audio bites from Lata ma'am. It's really helping for me. And after, once I decided that I have to do my self-discovery, I started getting in depth into my report. So I am able to trace out so many things, and I'm connecting so many with my family also. You can see at my husband report also, highly reflective personality. It's not highly reflective, 30 reflective and 70 affective, but everything in the border range. He, due to his gene, I have checked with my in-laws and also his brothers also. They also come with the same category type, highly affective and reflective. Being affective personality, really he accepts all my decisions. He supports me in all the way, and I'm also supporting in all my means. Being moderate with AQ, I right. All these challenges I have. With all these challenges, I am in a position to tackle all the brain data, and I'm moving forward with my daughters and with my husband. As I have identified my daughter's multiple intelligence, I have started working on it. My little one is the right age. She's going to turn 6. And I'm so happy that I'm guiding her in a very appropriate way. And my elder one is also just going to turn 12. I'm so happy that I have given her wonderful activities that the report. Even it was taken before 1 year, it was quite okay. That 7 to 12 is the right time for implementing all those. I was happily guiding, and whenever we talk something, they also used to connect it with GBP, and my elder one is very much interested, and my both daughters probably will be coming in this HR side. And along with me, my elder one is also attending many of the webinars. And whenever I attend morning Brian Beyond session, she also will be attending with me. I'm so happy for that. This is all about my family. So just I'm coming to the end of the session. So all our blinds are decoded. We are happy family. We are celebrating our life. And just I would like to end up with a small story. An African farmer, he doesn't know that his farm is filled with diamond. He wanted to harvest, but he was not able to dig it and do what he wishes. So what he did is he came to know from his friend that somewhere in Africa diamonds are available. Even if you get a fist of diamonds, you will become a millionaire. By hearing the words from his friend, he sold his land to somebody and he started in search of diamonds. But the person who bought that land, right, he started digging and he saw stone that is shining that much in the sunlight. And He started analyzing it, and he came to know that it is a diamond. But the farmer, by having it himself within in his own land, he was not able to analyze, and he was not able to make money out of that. He went in search of the diamond. Many times he lost all the money, and finally he had a horrible end. But the person who started analyzing what's there, he became a millionaire. Likewise, we people have so many treasure within us. We need to decode. Once we are able to know that, definitely we'll be able to do so many magics, and we can celebrate life. That's it. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Midna family. And last but not the least, I would like to thank, special thanks to Ratnasamy sir, and I would like to thank Lata ma'am, Sunny ji, Rakesh Babur. Anna really helped me in the beginning days. And also Sajina Akka, my friend, we attended Ignite together. Thank you for everybody's support. Thank you so much for the opportunity.